The story begins in a beautiful, enchanted jungle, a place of vibrant life where animals live in harmony. The jungle is lush with thick emerald trees, crystal clear rivers. A wise lion, the protector of the jungle, known for his bravery and deep connection to the jungle. One day, a fearsome dragon with fiery scales and eyes that glow with a malevolent light. His wings are vast, casting a dark shadow over the jungle approaches and bringing with him ominous clouds and a suffocating heat that wilts the lush vegetation. All animals become uneasy, sensing the impending danger. Dragon descends upon the jungle, unleashing torrents of fire that set the trees ablaze and send animals fleeing in terror. His roar shakes the very earth, causing landslides and terror among the inhabitants. Lion remains calm but determined, understanding the gravity of the threat Dragomir poses to their home. As the jungle burns, the clash turns into a fierce battle. Dragon's fiery breath scorches the ground, while Lion's agility and strength keep him just out of reach. The jungle continues to burn, and the once beautiful landscape begins to turn into a wasteland. For a moment, Lion is overwhelmed by the dragon's strength. He stumbles, and it seems as if Dragon might win. The animals cry out in despair, and the jungle grows eerily quiet as hope begins to fade. Lion and Dragon clash once more, this time with the lion fighting not just for himself, but for every creature in the jungle. In a desperate move, Lion charges at Dragon with all his might, leaping onto the dragon's back and striking a fatal blow at his vulnerable neck. The animals slowly return, gathering around Lion, who stands triumphantly over the fallen dragon. With Dragon defeated, the animals begin the slow process of rebuilding their home. New trees are planted, and the rivers are cleared of debris. The jungle flourishes once more, stronger and more united than ever. The animals honor Lion as their hero, knowing that his courage saved them all.